Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. Vet shares 9 traits in dogs that instantly show they're unhealthy. A vet has shared some of the traits he considers to be unhealthy in dogs, as they can cause an array of health problems, and they're all things that come from breeding. Dogs have long been considered man's best friend. Over time, we've bred dogs in various ways in order to create breeds that we think are exceptionally cute or that serve a functional purpose, like being a good hunting dog or a guard dog. But according to one vet, some of the traits that have been bred into dogs can actually make them unhealthy. Dr. Ben Simpson-Vernon, a veterinarian, shared a video online in which he highlighted some of the traits he hates to see in dogs, as they immediately tell him that the animal is going to be prone to health conditions that can hinder their quality of life and, in some cases, shorten their lifespan. In his TikTok video, Ben said the harmful physical traits have become completely normalized in dogs thanks to breeding, but he wants to see them go out of fashion as soon as possible. 1. Short legs. Some dog breeds have short legs because owners think the shorter stature makes the pooch look cute. But according to Ben, short legs actually stop the dog from being able to run around and exercise as effectively as other canines, meaning they could be prone to becoming obese. Short legs are most often seen in breeds like Dachshunds, Corgis, and Basset Hounds, and the health problem can cause joint issues, limb deformities, and intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, which is an issue in which spinal discs can bulge or rupture. Dogs with this health issue often need more help maintaining a healthy weight in order to reduce spinal stress, as well as regular, low-impact exercise to keep their joints healthy. 2. Skin folds. Many dog owners love pooches with wrinkly skin, such as English Bulldogs, French Bulldogs, and Shar-Peis, but according to the vet, these dogs are genetically predisposed to a number of health conditions just because of their skin. He said, "Dogs aren't meant to be wrinkly. This means chafing and skin fold infections. Dogs also use their facial muscles to communicate with other dogs, so a wrinkly face like this hinders this ability." Skin fold dermatitis is a common problem in dogs with wrinkly skin, as well as overweight dogs and dogs with short noses, according to the PDSA. To prevent this infection, owners of dogs who may get this condition must regularly clean and dry between their pups' skin folds. 3. A short muzzle. Dogs like bulldogs, pugs, boxers, and shih tzus are all known as short snout dogs, or brachycephalic breeds. This means their muzzle is less than a third the length of their skull, and it can open them up to a whole host of respiratory problems. Dr. Ben said, "Many people are aware that these dogs struggle to breathe, but they can also struggle to sleep without choking on their own soft palate. They can regurgitate food, and they find it hard to regulate their own body temperature, amongst many other problems." 4. Droopy eyelids. Droopy eyelids are common in breeds like Basset Hounds, Bloodhounds, and Mastiffs. It's so normalized that there are even cartoons that depict dogs with this trait, such as the Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer character Droopy. But having droopy eyelids isn't a cute or desirable trait in dogs, as it can leave them with chronic irritation, redness, and dryness around the eyes. Ben even said these dogs can be predisposed to painful eye conditions like conjunctivitis, all because their eyelids don't work the way they're supposed to. Dogs with this trait often have to take eye drops regularly to keep their eyes lubricated and avoid dryness. However, severe cases may even require surgery to correct the eyelid. 5. Merle-colored coat. You might think that the merle-colored coat is unique, but it comes with its own problems. Merle is the term used for the mottled coat pattern that some dogs have, which has patches of diluted colors like gray on a lighter background. The color is caused by the Merle gene and often also results in blue or mismatched eyes, also known as heterochromia. But there are other issues with the coat color, as the vet claimed it can be linked to an increased risk of blindness and deafness in some dogs. 6. Short tail or no tail. In some cases, a short or missing tail is caused by a genetic mutation. This mutation can sometimes be linked to spinal abnormalities, nerve issues, or problems with balance and coordination. Breeds like French Bulldogs, Boston Terriers, and some herding dogs may have naturally short tails, but responsible breeding and proper health screening are essential. It's also important to understand the difference between natural bobtails and docktails. Tail docking is a cosmetic procedure performed in some breeds, and when done improperly, it can lead to complications such as pain, infection, or nerve damage. 7. Misaligned jaw. A misaligned jaw in dogs, also known as malocclusion, is more than just a cosmetic issue. Veterinarians warn that improper alignment of the upper and lower teeth can lead to pain, difficulty eating, and long-term dental problems if left untreated. Some dogs are born with jaw misalignment due to genetics, especially certain flat-faced, brachycephalic breeds. In other cases, trauma, retained baby teeth, or abnormal growth during puppyhood can cause the issue. You might notice signs like trouble chewing, dropping food, excessive drooling, bad breath, or visible teeth sticking out at unusual angles. Breeds more commonly associated with jaw alignment issues include French Bulldog, English Bulldog, Pug, Boston Terrier, Shih Tzu, Boxer. 8. Bulging-eyed dog. Bulging or prominent eyes may look adorable, but veterinarians warn that this feature can increase the risk of eye problems. Dogs with this trait are usually brachycephalic, flat-faced, meaning their skull shape leaves the eyes sitting more forward and less protected. Because their eyes are more exposed, these dogs are more vulnerable to scratches, dryness, corneal ulcers, infections, and injuries. Even mild bumps during play can cause damage. In rare but serious cases, the eye can slip out of the socket, ptosis, which requires emergency treatment. Breeds commonly known for having more prominent eyes include flat-faced companion dogs such as the Pug, Shih Tzu, Pekingese, Boston Terrier, French Bulldog, and English Bulldog. Some small toy breeds like the Chihuahua and Japanese Chin are also known for this eye shape. 9. Inflexible spine. Some dogs are known for having stiff or less flexible backs, and veterinarians warn that this can sometimes signal underlying spinal issues. While every dog has a different body structure, limited flexibility may be linked to genetics, body shape, or breed-related conditions. Dogs with long backs and short legs are especially prone to spinal problems. Breeds such as the Dachshund, Basset Hound, Corgi, and Shih Tzu are more vulnerable to intervertebral disc disease, IVDD, a condition where the spinal discs degenerate or slip, causing pain and reduced mobility. If you are thinking of getting a dog, it's vital that you do your research into your desired breed before making the commitment to ensure that you're up to the task of taking care of them no matter what health conditions they may develop. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.